A luxurious ensuite is almost a must-have these days for most Australian homes, but there are a few things for you to consider to make sure that your ensuite design is a successful one. Making your vanity as wide as you possibly can enables enough space for 2 basins. This is great so that 2 people can use the room at the same time, so it's a practical design decision. And also that extra bench space allows enough space for everyone to spread out and use all of the things that they need on a daily basis. A wider basin also provides more storage options. You can have storage underneath each basin and in the center a set of drawers or open display storage like I chose to do here. To maximise the amount of bench space even further, I opted for wall mounted tapware, which is a great practical choice. And because the devil is in the detail, I repeated this statement gold finish in the accessories as well, resulting in a cohesive look.